Hello my dear friend, this video I am going to show you mobile data on but no internet. Don't worry, you are in the right place. This video I am explain few simple settings you can easily fix it. Let's begin. First, take your phone, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here you can find the airplane mode option. Tap on it once and wait a few seconds. After that, tap on it again to turn them off and automatically reset the mobile data section and turn back on, and you can check it work or not. However, if your problem is still, don't worry, you can go to settings, scroll down to the page, go to connection. After that you can find the sim manager option, tap on it and make sure to your sim is turned on. Now go back again, open mobile network. Here you can find the network mode option, click on it and make sure to select the option if you prefer. For example, I am select 5G preferred. If your phone not be supported 5G, you can select alternative option. After it done, simply tap on the back button, then go to data usage section. Here you can see the data saver option. If you turn on your phone, simply turn them off. Now return to the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom, tap on software update, then check for update. If any update available in your phone, simply follow the on-screen instruction to update your phone latest version. After it done, go back main settings, then open general management, scroll through the page, click on reset. You can see various options there. Located the reset mobile network settings option or similar name, tap on it, click on reset settings, verify to enter your phone lock screen password. Finally tap on the reset button at the very bottom of the page and automatically network settings reset successfully. After it done, simply close the app, then restart your phone. To do that, find the power and volume down button on your device, simply press on, hold it. From the pop-up menu, you can find the restart or reboot option, tap on it, then tap again and wait to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, you can go to the quick panel menu. Here turn off the mobile data option, then turn them on. After it on, you can check this time it work or not. Maybe your problem fix it. However, if your problem is still, don't worry, you can contact your service network provider name or sim contact provider and easily fix it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.